What's happening, North Pocono Intermediate School? Mr. Flood here, coming back with a couple of messages for you. Do not worry. I know none of you remember me. Man, I hope like 5 or like 8 or 10 of you remember me. It was only 3 weeks. I was there on October 5th. Look at I think I was there October 5th. So I wanted to come back, guys and girls, not physically, but with this video, for a couple of reasons. The first one is to say thank you for having me. Thank you for treating me with respect and kindness and dignity when I was there. I walk into a lot of schools, like over 100 every year. And I usually get treated well, but your school treated me exceptionally well, which I am grateful for. I love Pennsylvania, love the kids out there. I love people in Pennsylvania. Very friendly. So thank you for the way that you treated me. And the second reason, and even more importantly than that, guys and girls, I'm coming back to remind you of the challenges that I gave you, because I know we forget, things like maybe you didn't, forget me. You remembered a guy came and, Mr. Flood came and spoke to our school, but maybe you forget some of the things that I said. I hope you remember at least one thing or two things left an impression on you that you can impart and apply to your life. So the first challenge that I gave you was to look on the inside of people, to not judge people by the outsides, and I know that's very hard. I still have a hard time doing that. Some days I'm getting better. I'm better than I was yesterday. I always try and improve a little bit, but look on the inside, and if you start at the place that we're all alike on the inside, you will get along with people so much quicker, so much easier, if you realize just like them. It's and it's an energy and a vibe that we give off. So if you don't judge someone else, they probably will not judge you. So look on the inside. The second challenge that I gave you that is super important, especially in now where you're at in in intermediate school, is to connect with 2 adults in the building. And the way that you do that is by reaching out, showing respect for them, and saying thank you for all that they do. And that's a powerful connector when a student comes to an adult and says thank you. And that's the way that you start your day, or start your conversation, or start your relationship with someone, to show gratitude for them. Watch what happens when you do that. It can be really special. You can really start some special connections with trusted adults in your building. And the third challenge, the one that I gave you guys and girls, which is so important to me, is that no one eats alone. I don't know what the tagline, what you're saying is at North Pocono, but please add this. Oh, and by the way, at North Pocono, no one eats alone. You can say that to anybody that you meet. At my school, no one eats alone. It's not about the conversation. It's about the company. And it's where can I include people in my life and in my school? Where can I include people? How can I include people in lunch? How can I include people in conversations? How can I include people in the hallway? How can I include people on the bus? How can I include people in recess? All the places where you can try and include people. So please continue to work on those things. I hope I get a chance to see some of you down the road, perhaps in high school when you move on to high school. But like I said, I had an awesome time at North Pocono. I hope you're all well. I hope it's a mild winter. I know some of you probably like the snow and to do all the the outdoor stuff in the winter time. But I hope it's a fairly mild winter. But I look forward to seeing you guys and girls down the road. And you are in very, very, very good and capable hands there at North Pocono. You have an awesome staff. Have a great day, guys. See you soon.